So today I went to my local BoxLunch where I bought this appropriate t-shirt, and I also wanted to pick up a couple more of these, my nemesis, the Fantasia pins. I still need the Chernabog. We'll talk about these later. But I went to the clearance section, and I always look for pins, and I've never found any pins on clearance until today. So I got 6 boxes of these little Loungefly characters with kites, and we have a Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Donald, Daisy, or Pluto. And then they had 2 boxes of these Incredibles pins. And so they were all marked down, and then all of the clearance at BoxLunch was an extra 50% off the sticker price. So these were a really good deal. So first off, I'm going to start with these Incredibles pins. And I got these just for trade because I'm really not interested in the Incredibles, but these were marked down to 8 and then they were 50% off, so they were only $4. So let's start with the first one. Oh, these are taped. Oh, wow, that wasn't hard. And it's Mrs. Incredible. So these are nice. These are a gunmetal color, and they're nice and smooth on the top. The yellow is transparent. So I like those, the kind that have the stained glass effect. Those are nice. Okay, so that's the first one. And we have one more. And it's another Mrs. Incredible. Okay, well, that's fine because I wasn't going to keep any of these anyway. These are just good traders because at only $4 a pin. So now let's turn to the 6 kite flying characters that I got. And so now these were $7 on the clearance price, and so these were only $3.50. So yeah, I think these are going to be small though. And the first one we have is Donald, my favorite. So I'm probably going to keep this one. So we have Donald here, and he's stomping on his kite because it's not working out for him, and he's angry. And I understand Donald. I could never make kites work either, so I feel you. So there's the Donald. That's cute. I like that. Box number 2. It's a Daisy. So we have Daisy, and this actually, it's got, oh, the kite is bent. Okay, I see now. So this one has 2 pin backs on it, and that's because the kite is attached with a little chain. How is it supposed to go? I guess it, okay, it was wrapped around the other post, so I see now. I was like, the chain is too short. How does this work? Okay, so here we go. Okay, that's cute. I like that. Box number 3. It's a Mickey. We have a Mickey. Let me disentangle it. Okay, that one was easier. So we have Mickey, and he has a 4-color kite. It's really cute. I've been really impressed with the quality of these BoxLunch pins since I've been buying them. A lot of times I think they're better quality than the pins you're getting now in the parks, and they cost less. So these are really fun. Box number 4. No duplicates yet. Let's see if we can keep that streak going. It's a Minnie. So 4 out of 4. So here we have a Minnie, and she has a cute little polka dot kite, and she's sitting down while she flies her kite. Cute. These are really cute. I didn't have high hopes for these, but I like these. Box number 5. Pluto. I can't believe this. So here we have Pluto, and he's running, and his little kite has dog bones on it. And what is that other? Oh, it's just it's a little patch. The green spot is a patch in his kite. This cute little Pluto. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. 6th one. Did we get Goofy? What is it? It's Goofy! Oh my gosh! We got all 6 of them! And they were on clearance, and I just took all they had, and I didn't get any duplicates. Wow, that's hilarious. I did not expect this at all. I did not expect to get 6 different ones. Wow, that's really funny. So Goofy, of course, is all wrapped up in his kite. So he and Donald, of course, are having problems. But wow, I can't believe I got all 6. That's amazing. So for the grand finale, 2 more of these. I'm still on a quest for Chernabog. So I got 4 more boxes of these pins with my BoxLunch money a couple of weeks ago, and I didn't open them on camera. but I got an ostrich, which I didn't have, a hippo, which I didn't have, and 2 more brooms. So that brings the grand total to 4 brooms, 2 Mickeys, 2 gators, a hippo, and an ostrich. So today I went to BoxLunch and I got 2 of the heaviest pins that they had. I'm scared that they're both brooms though. But let's think positive. We have Sorcerer Mickey here for moral support. Got my appropriate t-shirt, Chernabog on it. Let's see what we get. Well, I know it's a big one, so either Chernabog or a broom. What do we have? It's Chernabog! I got the Chernabog! It's because of the t-shirt and Sorcerer Mickey. He cast a spell and I got a Chernabog. Now I do not have to resort to eBay. I have my full collection, but we still have 1 more. Now, these to me felt like they weighed exactly the same because I'm getting serious about this, y'all. Like I am on a mission. Sorry, I'm showing you the back. I want all 6 of these because this is my favorite movie. And these are just really nice pins. I mean, they are gorgeous pins. They're huge. I love them. So maybe we got another Chernabog or maybe it's another broom. Let's see. It's another Chernabog. I got 2 Chernabogs now. Okay. That's good. All right. My hand weighing skills worked out for these. And see, when you have ones like this that they are so different, you can feel the weight of the boxes and get an idea because clearly the ones that were the gator and the ostrich were way lighter than the others. So I got 2. There seems to be a little flaw on this second one. But the first one looks perfect. I don't see any problems with that. So mission accomplished. I now have a full set of these stupid Fantasia pins, but now I have another set of Fantasia pins I'm working on, and you'll see those in the next video, but I only got 2 this time. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fun little video with my clearance pins, and I got 6 out of 6, and I got 2 Chernabogs. I think this was a very successful unboxing. So I hope you subscribe for more videos. I've got another pin unboxing coming up, and we have a Disney trip coming up very soon. So we'll have some more DVC room tours up on the channel for you. And we are also getting ready to start posting the videos from our last Europe trip. And so we'll be showing you some cathedrals and some Roman ruins and things like that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!